In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Asana. Getting your time zone right ensures your due dates, calendar events, and notifications all line up with your local time, which is especially important if you've moved, are traveling, or collaborate across regions. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your settings. In the top right corner of Asana, look for your profile picture or your initials. Click that to open the account menu, then select Settings. This brings up a pop-up window where you can manage your personal preferences. If the window doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups and that you're signed in to the correct Asana account. You can follow these steps in the web app or the desktop app. The layout is the same. Next, go to the display section. Along the top of the pop-up, you'll see several tabs for different types of preferences. Click the one labeled Display. This is where Asana stores visual and regional settings like theme and layout, and importantly for us, the time zone setting. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the display tab will make the rest of the process smooth. Now update your time zone. Scroll down until you reach the time zone section. Click the drop-down menu to open the full list of options. You'll see time zones listed by region and offset from GMT or UTC. Choose the one that matches your current location. If you don't see your exact city, pick the nearest major city in the same time zone. Most regions that observe daylight saving time will adjust automatically, so once you select the correct zone, Asana will handle those changes for you. This update affects how Asana displays due dates and times, how your calendar blocks appear, and the timestamps you see on activity and comments. Finally, save your changes. Click Save at the bottom of the window to apply the new time zone. You might see a brief confirmation, and your interface may update to reflect the new setting. If something still looks off, a quick page refresh usually helps everything sync. After saving, double-check a task with a due time or open your calendar to confirm it looks correct. That's all you need to do. By keeping your Asana time zone accurate, you'll avoid confusion around deadlines and stay aligned with your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your workspace set up exactly the way you need.